Hi, welcome to episode 17 of Tile Talk. I am Courtney Larson, the Marketing and Showroom Manager, here with
Kevin Stufel, President of Surface Art.
And we're going to do a little Q&A today. Want to hear a little bit about the past and what the future has to hold for Surface Art. So how has Surface Art, the company, changed over the past couple of years?
Sure. Well, we've been around for about 17 years. Started out in Seattle, just a couple bay doors, a couple HP printers and Costco computers. I remember when I was pulling orders in the warehouse, we would look over the 2 orders that we had for the day and treat them like our own children.
You were quite the forklift driver, right?
I ran into the showroom once with the forks. Yeah. So that wasn't that good. No one got hurt, so that's okay. And then from there, we grew to 5 different buildings with tile stacked to the rafters, and about 16 states that we distributed, with customers all the way down from San Diego to Cheyenne, Wyoming, to Houston, Texas, all the way to Alaska and Hawaii. So it's been quite a ride.
And with that growth, what are things that you think have changed through the personnel and how they see the company?
Yeah, so with any type of startup company, you have, especially a family startup company, you have oftentimes kind of those growing pains, and where the founder, my father, wants to maintain everything as is, even though the organization has grown and matured. And where I kind of come in is to really allow that growth under a standardized approach and give more ownership to our employees so they can run their own projects and they can have a sense of purpose. And I think that's being felt throughout the organization, and that's the most exciting thing for me to watch, is for someone to grow within the organization, take that torch, be it a project, very much like you when you redid the showroom, and see that project from start to finish, and for my involvement to be very minimum and just kind of as more of a guide.
I think it's that independence too that makes it exciting to work here, and why we have the tenure that we do. I mean, we have employees who have seen it from the very beginning when there were those 2 bay doors that are still here, to the 5 buildings, to the growth that we see today. So.
Yeah, no, you're right. And what's occurring is the all-star team that is coming on board for this company. They're coming because they witness the people who work here and the buzz in the marketplace that we're doing things differently, and we're doing things simply better.
Best. So that leads into doing things better, the best. What does the future have to hold for Surface Art?
Well, from an infrastructure standpoint, we're building a brand new facility about a mile away from our current one. It's going to be in Kent, Washington.
It's going to be beautiful.
It is. Says our showroom design. About 200,000 feet, and built from the ground up, built to suit for what we needed and to allow and accommodate for our anticipated growth. We've taken a few customers down there, and the first question is the whole building yours? And the answer is yes. So we're really excited not only to grow within that facility, but also allowing our employees a first-class place to work.
It'll be a destination for sure. Well, I think that kind of sums up what Surface Art is.
I got a question for you.
Oh, turn in the tables.
So I did mention the facility. Since you're designing the showroom, how is this showroom going to be different? What are some of the things that you're looking forward to?
This showroom is not simply about the product that you see. it's what can be done with the product. It's an art gallery. So I see it as people that are walking in, whether you be a homeowner doing a powder bath and you've never picked out tile in your life before, a designer who has been in the industry for 30 years, a builder, an architect, one of our dear retail customers, you are able to be that artist. It's a blank slate full of all of these beautiful products that you're able to select and create. It'll definitely inspire. So not only the sheer size of what the space is going to be, but how things are going to be displayed, the workspaces that will be available to them. It'll be exciting.
And you're also going to show all the shower systems and the waterproofing and the grouts and the fence and all those tertiary products that we carry.
Everything
Kind of display them.
that's behind the
Yeah.
foundation of the
Yeah.
tile as well, that makes it shine and endure for that amount of time.
Good. All right, excellent.
Get excited. And that's it. That's Surface Art. That's the future. If you have any other questions, feel free to visit www.surfaceartinc.com.